There we go. All right, so we have brand new Rosco bolt carrier group. I'm going to come in here with my pick. This will not close on any go gauge, 223 or 556. So we have shoulder here, step up, another shoulder, and then the radius. Radius, one step, second step. I've never seen this on a bolt before. It gets less as we come around, but it's still there. This one's gonna live in the classroom, been a shame forever. Everybody messes up. This doesn't mean that they make bad stuff. There was 2 bolt carriers in the class, right? We had 2. One passed with flying colors. This one was just one of those lemons that made it out. But since it's an oddity, we had another one that passed with flying colors. So don't take this as me trashing them. This is not the norm, but it's a weird one. And because I have to have it, I'm going to trade one of my students, Tim, with a replacement bolt that passes with flying colors. As always, thanks for watching. Hope you found this video educational.